Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to draw outline in Photoshop. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So this is the picture where I'm going to add the outline. So for that, what you need to do, just select the picture, and here we need to add the outline around the person. So for that I need to select the person first. So just go to this option by the name of quick selection tool, click here, and here we have the option for select subject. So just click here to select the subject. Once it is selected, you just need to hit Ctrl+J to make the separate layer for this picture of the person. Now just hit right click, and here we have the option for blending options, and in the blending options we just need to check the box by the name of stroke. Just check it, and here we have the size. You can just increase the size of the outline according to you. I'll just set it right here, and also you can just change the color, like you can just choose your color according to you and just hit OK. So yeah guys, that's how you can do this. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.